All right, y'all. Price action, of course, wants to be crazy the day I want to trade my 150K combine. Um, but hopefully we finally get our push down, please. Looks like we're finally getting it. So let's just see. It's not fun. I'm not confident in this trade. I broke my rule in, got in before 10 o'clock. Didn't even look at higher time frames. However, on the higher time frame, still looking good. It was, oh, here we go. Finally going my way. We had SMT because we took out the Asian high on NQ. We did non-ES, and then we had SMT here. We had SMT on this downside to go up higher. ES has been moving down. NQ has not. The 9:30 open gave us some weird little news-looking thing. I got in down here early before 10 o'clock. At this candle close, this inverse value gap. I should have waited till 10 o'clock. See why you always wait? You get a better entry. This was like negative $700. I moved my stop loss to be above these highs in case we swept for SMT there. So my stop loss is bigger, but I left my bracket TPs where they should be. It's not exactly one-to-one, but I'm not confident in this trade. We are back at that hourly fair value gap from yesterday. I love consolidation weeks like this where we just come back up into this gap and play off of it to a sell side. But then I'm like, we did already bounce off this twice yesterday, so maybe we do want to finally inverse this gap. I don't know. All right, NQ is finally pushing. Now finally in profit a little bit, so hopefully we'll see. Hopefully it hits my one-to-one at least. Let me see what my one-to-one is. 25.7250. I think that's where my TP1 is. Well, at the 50, it's not letting me do the 50, but let's see if we get push. I'm in profit. Might sell both at this one-to-one, honestly. And then take profit too at somewhere else. So we'll see. I'm not, like I said, I'm not confident in this trade. Price action would be in when I want to get in a trade on my actual eval and not paper trade like yesterday. But you know, you gotta show up every day and you know, do the things, and you know, it's not the worst. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get, y'all. TP1, I don't even know where TP2 is actually. TP2 is 535. My TP2 is at, I'm not even getting greedy today. Yeah, that's my TP1, TP2. Have my stop loss big as fuck to let this play out, which I'm glad I did. Y'all know my problem is having big stop losses sometimes, which is so annoying, but it is what it is. This is where I take profit one. This is a SMT. It was SMT at first because ES had swept this low and NQ hadn't. So now that we both push below it, we should both push now. Got my emotions back right, more confident in my trades. Like I said, I'm not as confident in this one as the price action. However, like I was confident in the whole setup. I've been taking that ashwagandha, you know, reading my book. Feeling good, feeling great. So I want to get this funded account and then really get a payout. I'm not trying to add no more funded accounts after this one, because this one allows me to blow my other 50K account if I need to, and I still have 150K to trade with, which means that I can have instead of losing $2,000, I can lose 6. So, all right, we're almost up $1,000. Let's hit TP1. And then maybe the London low is where I sell TP2, honestly, I don't know. I'm trying to see. Yeah, I think London low for sure is going to get hit. I don't know if this PM low is going to get hit. So we'll see. Might move a trailing. I'm not a trailing stop girl, but I just don't know if we're gonna go all the way down here. But let's see. Because we could reverse off of these lows on ES, which it's looking like we could. So, come on, TP1. Come on, NQ is right there. Should I close in profit? I don't know, man. Like I said, we have equal highs. This is the London low on ES. Already swept this morning, and then we have these equal lows, but we didn't sweep them on ES yet. Once ES sweeps those lows, I'll be okay to take profit, because it's equal lows. Like, ES needs to hit them. They're both trying to bounce out of this range. Like, good thing about using bigger contracts, like $1,000 is still a lot of money. Like, I don't care about selling early sometimes, especially on the eval. Now, if I lost, yeah, that loss would have been bad. But
target filled.
TP1 hit. Let's see how we get a push off of this, or if we reverse a little bit. ES didn't even sweep these lows. I don't know if I'm confident in this price action, y'all. I might just take my profit, but let's just let this candle finish. Because what are y'all doing? There's no fair value gaps. Y'all trying to retrace too. All right, here we go. Here we go on NQ. I'm gonna hit my TP2. I'm ready. That might be S&T right here. Or it could be NQ pushes and then ES doesn't push to cause our SMT. That would be actually more ideal. We still hit our target. But, okay, we hit the London low now. That's why I'm like, I think we could reverse from London low. Let's see if we run through. We have a minute and 30 seconds in this candle, and then I'll see. I might just trail stop and profit, like I said. I'm already at $1,500. I'm sure it'd be like $2,000 down here. We hit the London low. We did not hit it on ES. That could be our SMT as well. But let's wait. We can wait a minute and 20 seconds. I don't like this candle though, but I also can do all this and still go my way as well at the end, so. Come on. Like I said, London low there. Next liquidity is my target actually, so if we want to break it, then there's the daily low. If we go to the daily low. I know some people, their targets are always daily low, so if we go to the daily low, my target is before it. I'm gonna close for
order filled.
$1,400 day. I don't know if I feel good. I think we're gonna get some S&T. We got some shitty price action. I'll take that. I'll take whatever that was. Now, if we hit my TP2, we hit my TP2. But I'm gonna take this little scalpiana, and if we hit it, we hit it. But I don't know. I think we might get S&T at this London low. Oh, now we're pushing. See what being impatient does for you? But again, $1,400 locked in on the funded account. So up $900. Let's see if my TP2 does get hit. I think I closed earlier actually. It wound up being like both closed at the same time, which is not good. A 1-to-1 basically, but like I said, I just think we might have SMT. But it's okay. We locked in profit. Thank you for the gift, Zoe. We could keep hitting these lows, but again, it's still 1465 day. Sold a little early, but ain't nothing wrong with selling early and being confident. Down 171 on the day. How long you been trading? I just hit a year. I started last year around this time. I took 2 months off, so technically like 11 months, 10 months, because I moved in June and I worked in May back in film to see if I still could do film on the side. So I took 2 months off, but it's been a year. I started trading October last year. And I got funded in 9 months. And then it's been a little crazy since I got funded, but I want this eval. I feel like my emotions are back though, but I want this eval first because I just feel like the 50K accounts, I do love them, but they're so easily blown, even with good risk management. Why you started content for trading might be for the questions. When you started, I started my content when I got profitable, and so I started trading in October. I watched ICT in September. I understood it. Yeah, I don't know. I just think it might reverse. So I'm proud of this trade. That's why I watch ES. But then once I got profitable, like I was getting my bearings with options. I turned my my $100 account to like $300 or $400, and then I started doing content, and then the real journey started because different price action, different things, and different stuff. Then I started trying to do funded, and funded is really where my emotions went to the shitter. And then I just started making content, and it's just easier to make content for. Oof, I did sell too early, y'all. But let's see. I just want to see again. We took out these London lows. Ooh, that sucks. That's my extra $1,000 right there, but it's okay. It's okay. Price action wasn't as clean as yesterday. And again, these were London lows. These are strong lows. But let's see if we hit my TP2. Like I said, it's a good thing about using big contracts. Like you don't have to hold. If you are okay with your $1,500, take your $1,500. But that's also why I don't like watching the P&L. I had my P&L to the side today like this, which I don't. You never do because you're always gonna sell early if you watch your P&L. You'll watch it go. $1,500. I don't want to lose $1,500. You'll see it go to 2,000. Then it goes back to $1,500. You're like, I don't want to lose that, and then you'll keep changing your. That's why I hide my P&L to the end. But today I had to see it because I didn't want to blow my daily drawdown, which I almost did. I got it down here. I think I was at like negative $1,500 up here, and I was like, oh, I think daily drawdown's too. Honestly, if it doesn't hit my TP and goes here, I'm not mad at that. Like I said, my TP2 is here. I wasn't moving. I almost moved it to the London low just to have the extra few ticks, but like I said, we might have SMT here. I'm okay with that. And honestly, anything after your trade, you don't even give a fuck, really. Like, sometimes I torture myself and sit and like, did my TP2 get hit? Okay, whatever. It doesn't matter. I'm out the trade. One trade a day. I made $1,500. You know what I'm saying? There's no woulda, coulda, shoulda. That's my problem. What are you trading? I'm trading the NASDAQ futures. NASDAQ futures. I broke my rule and got in before 10 o'clock. If I would have got in at 10 o'clock, my entry would have been way here, but it was not. It was way down there. Just not ideal. That's why you don't follow your rules, and then you journal that, which I'm going to journal that right now. But clear signs for sales because we had S&T. This is a messy S&T, though. But we took out the Asian high. We did not on ES, which is, S&T is really all you need for reversals. And then you journal your trades. So y'all can watch me journal. I do mine in Google Sheets because that's what I like. I know if I'm paper trading or if I'm regular trading. And then, but yeah, I haven't been trading that long, so Tuesday, October 15th. Plus, was it 14.65 on the funded account. But yeah, I trade the NQ futures, SMT at the highs, at Asian highs, back in the bearish fair value gap from yesterday, took sales to London lows, didn't wait for 10 a.m. to enter. So got a worse entry. And what else was my rules? That was really it. Would have got a better entry. Would have gotten a better entry at 10 and didn't hold to TP2. But I'm not mad at it. Then you just journal, you know, what happened, all the things. No news. I journal news if there's news in it. Do we hit TP2? No, we're kind of reversing, which is good. Didn't hit TP2 because I was peeping S&T. And then you just journal and you do your things. And but yes, looks like it wants to go down still. But it still hasn't took these equal lows out. So again, journaling is so key. I also don't. I also need to go back and read my journals every weekend. A part of me was like, now one of the things, like I said, one of my rules is no trailing stops. However, on price action like this, maybe a trailing stop would have been better than just taking profit where I did, because I could have got this little bit at least. And if it runs down, you know, I'm still locking in profit on both ends instead of letting it go back to break even. So I don't know. Let's see if TP2 gets hit. It's looking like it is. We got some strong wicks on the top side, like we're going down to the downside. Now add that to my journal as well, but at the same time, we'll see. We'll see if it hits. Now journal it. It's giving, it's looking like it kind of, like these are two wicks on the top side, which means we want to go to the downside. Like I said, I also was watching my P&L, which is what you don't want to do, because you'll hold your trades better if you don't watch your P&L. Like I said, the London lows are a strong low. We got a nice move to them. If the London lows were like right here at my entry, I obviously would have held, but we still got a nice move to the London low. Maybe we push. But yeah, good trade. You know, you gotta post it on the IG. I mean, on the on the Twitter. And then on the gram. But yeah, journaling is key. Watching, look at Tay. He did his thing today. That's what I'm talking about. Sold early, but locked in $1,500 in profit. Let's go. Would have had a better entry if I waited to enter at 10 a.m., but whatever. On the 150K eval. Boom. Yeah, ES has equal lows, but we're at the equal lows. So that's my thing. Like ES could tap it and then we both reverse. Like we're a tick away. But we didn't hit it. And honestly, that's the worst S&T. I've seen S&T like that where you are, I remember a day it was opposite, but in Q we were at the top and the liquidity was like a tick or two away and we were just trading next to it. And ES was pushing it and I was like, okay, can we get sells, can we get buys, whatever the fuck. And then it just didn't hit it. And it was like triple equal highs. I wanted those equal highs so bad. And I was in these like scalping buys. It was live traded to me and Tay, and then we both like took our profit. But then in the PM, like an hour later, because it was a long trading morning, sheesh, you was right. It just dumped. What was that? Ain't no news. It just wants to dump. So yeah, I'm gonna journal that I should have My TP2 is about to be hit. I should have not watched my P&L because there it is. There it is. Which sucks. This is why you don't want your P&L, because that's my extra $1,000, $2,000 probably. And you journal that. Nope, we're gonna erase all this. Didn't hold to TP2 because I was watching my P&L, which is a no-no, and TP2 was hit. That's what sucks. You gotta journal it because, bam. That sucks. This sucks, but it's okay. Damn! It's funny because my original TP2 was further down, but I wanted to just, with my, should have been like a 1 to 2 with my, how big my stop loss was, but I just was like, with this shitty price action, I was just like scared it was gonna not. But what is it? Our lovely 10 a.m. reversal strikes again. Yeah, you know a little something. I really didn't think it was gonna run down them like that. I thought it was gonna, but then maybe that's what the shitty price action was, building up volatility to then push. So my TP2 is hit. I still locked in $1,500. Damn, I left. This would have been another $2,500 day for sure. Could have been a $3K day for sure. And then with my funded futures, I can get funded in one trade if I want. Like I can easily have gotten back in with 5 contracts and probably got funded off this move, but I want to be normal because again, drawdown like that drawdown, if I had 5 contracts, would have been stopped out fast. But yeah, first day on the eval back. Fuck, that hurts. That hurts big bad. But it doesn't, because I locked in still. That's a good thing about using bigger contracts. You still locked in $1,500. But that's why you don't watch your P&L. I always hide my P&L, and I need to do that again. I hide my P&L, and then I just watch my trade play out, and then you have that 2 contracts for a reason, to let the second one run. Even if I move a trailing stop and profit, like here, no, you just let it run. But it is what it is. A good trading day, y'all. And hope y'all made some money today. And I didn't hold the TP2. About to record the recap of this trade. And did I close Ninja Trader? No, I did not. Okay. I moved this here once I'm finally recording my recap on TikTok. But yeah, good trade. Leave some for the later. Nice setup, honestly. Exactly. Great setup. Great 10 a.m. reversal. Good S&T. All the things. I just didn't hold my trade because the price action was a little scary on it. But I should have. I didn't even look at the higher time frame. I just looked at the S&T. But on the higher time frame, this 1 hour hammer, like I said to me, do you trade just certain candles? Sometimes I'll trade a nice wick off a hammer. And it worked out for me. I just didn't hold long enough. Sheesh. That hurts. But like I said, you journal it, and that's why I say you don't watch your P&L. It's just a special kind of hell watching this move up and down. People do though. A lot of professionals, they like have it on their videos, but for me, I like to just have it set. Even my Ninja Trader is set just to ticks. It's not set to, it's not set to anything else. So, damn, it's still going. But it's okay. Anything after my trade is just, you made your money, you move on. Next time you'll hold. Because I have it set to 150 ticks, 300 ticks. Great money. And then obviously you adjust I did move my stop loss up a little bit because I think 200 ticks was like here. I moved it up. I'm glad I did because I've been stopped out for it to go my way. I've been pissed. But I moved it up. I honestly moved it up to here. We got S&T to NQ went to sweep these highs, and ES didn't. ES usually sweeps highs more than NQ though, but. And then we finally got our push after 10 o'clock. I should have waited. And then my entry at 10 o'clock would have been way better. I got way down here. I would have had way better, and I would have made way more money. Like this was like a $700 or $1,000 drawdown. But you know, it is what it is. Journal it. Like I said, don't watch my P&L. I journaled it, and we'll just sit and let things go how they go. What was this? Fucking 12 minutes. Sheesh. Fucking going. But yeah, I'm gonna put this on Twitter too, actually. Damn, we're falling now. Watching my P and L like never watch your P&L while you trade. If you're a beginner like me, you can't. Look, that hurts. But again, still made money. Thank y'all for the roses. Back testing tonight at 8 o'clock. We did not back test that much yesterday. We were just chit chatting. So hopefully we get to back testing today. But we'll go over this trade for people who missed it. And yeah, see y'all tonight.